For some women, enviably long hair just happens, but for the rest of us, tweaking certain aspects of our day-to-day beauty routine must be made. Really long hair is beautiful and all, but it can be hard to get. If you want to be rid of your Chalamet haircut or own an all-natural ponytail that skims your butt, there are a few things you can do to help the process along. We're going to answer all your questions about why your hair won't grow, so keep watching on this video. 1. Get frequent trims. It may seem counterintuitive, but if you want long hair that's actually healthy, you need to get regular trims. While haircuts don't make your hair grow any faster, they get rid of split ends that break your hair. Eliminating the breakage gives the appearance that your hair is growing faster. After all, a split end that breaks can lead to your hair losing length, not to mention shine, volume, and smoothness. 2. Have a healthy and balanced diet. A healthy diet will ensure your hair gets all the sustenance it needs to grow long and strong and keep it shiny and silky smooth. People spend so much money on buying various hair care products while overlooking their diet. But the fact is that a healthy and balanced diet contains all the nutrients and essential oils required for promoting hair growth. Since hair is basically constructed of proteins, consumption of protein is important for nourishing and revitalizing the hair. 3. Don't wash too often. Some women are convinced that the only way they can keep their hair beautiful and growing is by washing it with shampoo every single day. While keeping your hair clean is essential for hygiene and hair growth, if done incorrectly, it can cause more harm than good. Using shampoo to wash your hair every day causes your hair to dry out and lose most of its natural essential oils. These oils travel from the scalp down the length of the strands, help to keep hair moist, and are essential for long hair. It's a good habit to maintain a schedule and wash your hair 4 to 5 times a week at the most. Massaging the scalp gently and properly while shampooing improves blood circulation in the scalp and promotes hair growth. Use of chemical-free shampoos, which are enriched with hair-lengthening ingredients, help in the effective cleaning of hair while also keeping the tresses healthy and long. Shampooing every day can dehydrate hair and strip away essential oils required for hair growth. Since hair roots are the weakest when wet, hair should be combed gently and not brushed when wet to avoid breakage. 4. Use the best pillowcase. If you wake up with matted hair and tangles, your cotton pillowcase could be the culprit. Townsend recommends switching to a silk or satin pillowcase. It has a softer surface that won't cause friction with your hair the way that regularly woven cotton does. 5. Give your scalp a massage. Not only does a scalp massage feel great, but it also helps stimulate blood circulation. It also mobilizes oils from the scalp that strengthen the roots and keep your hair moist. A scalp massage with a stimulant like coconut oil greatly enhances the chances of your hair growing long and strong. Coconut oil is packed with essential vitamins and nutrients and is a natural hair conditioner. 6. Overbrushing your hair. Are you beginning to notice a pattern? Too much of a good thing leads to damage and breakage. Just like overwashing your hair, the constant friction from brushing your hair too much can lead to breakage and weakened hair strands, preventing the hair from growing faster. 7. But keep conditioning. A hair growth journey is an excellent excuse to treat yourself to a quality leave-in conditioner, or luxurious hair mask. Annabelle Kingsley, trichologist, says the added moisture in these treatments helps plump the hair shaft, improving elasticity and strength over time, which means less breakage and more length retention for you. 8. Don't brush too often. Again, most women are convinced that the secret to long and healthy hair is brushing it incessantly. There are others who are scared that brushing hair will lead to hair fall, and avoid combing their hair unless explicitly required. Brushing your hair stimulates the scalp, releases natural oils, and helps spread those oils down the length of the hair strands. But to ensure that there is no breakage or hair loss, make sure to brush gently, or it may cause traction alopecia. 9. Drink water. Drinking water is good for your entire body. It flushes out toxins and helps the body function properly. Since your hair relies on the rest of your body to keep it hydrated, it is essential to make sure you are always hydrated. 10. Learn to love low ponytails. You can still style your hair, but avoid high-tension styles like these ponytails. Instead, stick to something relatively innocuous, like the low pony. With Fashion Month's onslaught of center parts, a foundational element of a low pony, the transition should be relatively smooth. Okay, so you definitely can't grow your hair overnight. Keeping it nice and hydrated, minimizing heat tool use, and staying away from harsh hair dyes is essential if you're looking to grow out your hair. And if you're really concerned about your hair growth, make sure you talk to your derm or see a trichologist. Do you have long or short hair? Are you trying to grow your hair out? What are your hair growth tips? Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.